Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I came with a different video. Today I'm gonna be doing a full face makeup testing celebrity makeup artist tips. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna see if all these tips that these makeup artists they use on celebrities work for us in real life. I've watched many videos from Makeup by Mario, Makeup by Ariel, Style by Harouche, Joyce Bonelli, Mari Phillips. So I have so many tips to share with you guys. So if you like this idea, just let me know down below. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and let's get started. Okay guys, let's start. So first thing I saw on Makeup by Mario when he was doing Kim Kardashian's makeup and also other people's makeup, he always conceals certain areas before he applies the foundation. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna be using this MAC palette. It's the Pro Conceal palette in the shade medium, and I'm just gonna conceal like around some blemishes I'm having right now. What he said that when you conceal before the foundation, sometimes you end up using less foundation, which gives you more like a natural look. Now let's move on to brows, and I'm gonna use these two pencils from Rodial, one in ash brown and one in dark ash brown. So Makeup by Ariel, which does Kylie Jenner's makeup, he always says that he uses a lighter shade towards the beginning of the brow here and the darker shade towards the ends of the brow. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, eyebrows done. Another tip that Makeup by Ariel likes to do is to set the brows. So he takes like a fluffy brush like this, and he goes into his translucent powder. I'm just using Laura Mercier one, and he just dabs on top of the eyebrows. That way the brow just looks a lot softer and also helps to set the product. This tip guys, I have to say, is life-changing since I've seen him doing that, and when I tried on myself a while ago, I was obsessed as well, because it really does make a difference, especially when you photograph. It makes your eyebrows look so much more natural and soft looking, and the product also lasts longer as well. But the powder I'm using is the Laura Mercier guys, so just make sure you use the same, because different powders might give you a different result. I'm pretty sure this is the one he uses as well. Mari Phillips also likes to contour before foundation. This one I never tried before, but I will try it now and see if actually it works, like if it's good, if it's not. She said that it gives a much more natural look and it creates more like a bone structure. Okay, so she said that it gives it more like a bone structure. It's looking really patchy now because obviously I have bare skin. But yeah, let's move on to the foundation now, and the one I'm gonna use is this one by NARS. And yeah, this one is a new foundation by NARS. It's so nice guys. If you like Sheer Glow, you love this one too. So I'm just gonna do a few pumps, not too much. Now I'm gonna go with the Damp Beauty blender. I'm just gonna apply over it. She said when you do this trick to use a medium foundation, not use something super full coverage, because of course if you use something extremely full coverage, it's gonna cover the contour underneath. So just use something a little bit lighter. Yeah guys, so I definitely can see the contour underneath the foundation anyways, which is good. Just one tip for the eyes as well guys. Makeup by Ariel, which is Kylie Jenner makeup artist, he always sets the eyelids with the translucent powder, because he says sometimes you get pores around your eyes, which is my case because my eyebrow hairs are really thick, so I have a bit of open pores around here. So he said when you use a translucent powder on top, it just minimizes the pores and it gives you a much more smoother base for your shadow. For my eyes, I haven't seen many interesting tips from all those makeup artists, so I'm just gonna do my own thing, and I'm gonna use a new product which is from Dose of Colors. I just received recently, is the Cream Matte Eye Color, and the shade I'm gonna use is Rodeo. It's just a cream shadow. You can use as eyeliner, shadow. It's amazing, so pigmented. I tried before. These shadows, you guys, are so easy to use, and they're so pigmented as well. I think we needed something like this. Like, no other brand does so many nice cream shadows like this collection. It's just perfect. It has all your neutral colors, all your orangey, burgundy colors, peach colors. It's just so perfect. I was so excited when I received the package. So I'm gonna go now with the Dose of Colors brush. It's just the blending brush. I'm gonna blend the edges. This one is perfect because it's synthetic bristles, so it blends cream products really well. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go with the black eyeliner. This one by Urban Decay, 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. Very close to my lash line. Small brush, gonna go and blend. So, styled by Harush, I don't know how you pronounce her name. She always says she likes to curl the false eyelashes with your natural lashes. She doesn't like to curl like both individually. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use this little eyelash curler, and this is nice because if you want to curl just the ends, you can see, but it's nice to curl both together. And then she says she likes to apply mascara on the false eyelashes as well, so that's what we're gonna do. Have you guys ever downloaded the Kardashians app? Because I did it for like one day just to check all the beauty videos, and I did for Kylie's app, and I did Kim's app, and also Courtney. Courtney is my fave, but yeah, I did it to watch like all the tutorials and learn a few tips. Some stuff you don't actually know. That's why I think it's worth watching that kind of stuff. That's why I decided to do this video for you guys, because I think some tips are actually really good. So guys, now moving on to the under eyes. Mari Phillips always uses a peach concealer underneath the eyes before applying the actually concealer. Well, a peach corrector. So I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Atelier. This is very peachy, you guys. I don't know why it's not showing on the camera, but it is very, very peachy. She just uses the beauty blender to blend, a damp beauty blender, yeah. She says that it takes all the ashiness away from around the eye. Like, I don't know you guys, but my eyes are a little bit ashy underneath, so she said that this helps to conceal that. And then now I'm gonna go with concealer. This one is by Too Faced, Born This Way, shade Medium Nude. I'm gonna do the whole shebang that they all do under the eyes. So this done, I'm gonna set it with the Laura Mercier powder. I think all makeup artists does the same thing when it comes to this. So just with the damp beauty blender. I actually wet my beauty blender again before I'm doing this. And I do as well in the center of my face. So I do here, here. This also I learned with Makeup by Ariel. He uses the translucent powder more in the center of the face. So guys, just moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna go back with the same Dose of Colors shadow and just use underneath my eyes. So it creates a really nice smoky effect. Guys, I'm just so shocked how good these shadows are. It's just so easy to create a smoky eye just with this. I'm just like, wow. I'm gonna also use the black pencil inside my waterline. So now I'm gonna use the powder one by Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, just to kind of bronze my face. I'm not gonna use to contour because I think the contour that we have on is already enough. Another thing that I always see makeup artists in general doing is take a bit of translucent powder with the beauty blender and just apply here underneath your cheekbones, just so it cuts like that, guys. So I always see celebrity makeup artists doing this. And we're gonna move on to the cheeks. So I'm gonna use a little bit of a blusher, and this one I saw styled by Harush. Use a very dark orange color like this on Kylie Jenner. This is on her 18th birthday makeup tutorial. You can check it on YouTube, but she used this very bright orange on her cheeks. She said she loves this color. She loves peach blushes. She said that it looks good on anyone and that anyone should try. So yeah, I actually quite like that color a lot too. So guys, for highlighter, I'm gonna use a cream highlighter because I always see Makeup by Mario. He said on an interview that he prefers liquid highlighters other than powder highlighters. He actually uses Vaseline as well, like a balm like this. It can even be like a face balm or like Vaseline or just a liquid highlighter. He says it photographs a lot better, it looks more natural, it gives you more that glow with in. I'm gonna be using the Iconic London in Original. So guys, now I'm gonna do another tip as well that I saw Joycey Bonelli doing, and not only her, I've seen other people do as well. Makeup by Ariel, Mary Phillips, is to contour the lips with a cream contour. So I'm using the same Charlotte Tilbury contouring product with a small brush, but not like with a lip liner. She does like more on the outside of the lip. So let's see how this goes. I never did that before, but okay, so this is the contour, and she also said that she likes to do a little bit in the middle, so I'm gonna do. You guys seen any difference? I saw that even though they contoured with the contour product, they also use a lip liner anyway. And then guys, I'm gonna use a gloss which is from Pearl Cosmetics in the shade Birthday Suit. This gloss is so cool. It comes with light. Look. I love it. It comes with a little mirror at the back too. And last but not least, setting spray. I always see every single makeup artist using a setting spray on their skin, but they normally cover the eyes and just do the face. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dry with this. It's really important for you to dry the setting spray very quick. Don't let the water and the wetness like be on your skin for too long, because obviously it's gonna move a bit the products around. So she said once you spray, just go and dry really quick. So nice. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this kind of videos, let me know down below. Give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And I see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.